said walnuts. This is like a walnut, but it's a pine cone.
Okay,
I'm going to the roof. Don't tip me over, Jeanette. Mira, I'll give you one. Look, Mommy, I'm so tall I can reach the top of the tree. But I do need more ornaments. I'll give you them. And let's do that. Let me go here. No, I know where.
Here,
I was actually playing.
Maria, here.
I'm gonna put it right here. Maria, here.
I think it was a great idea.
You give this
To
to
green
Maria.
Nadia, no.
When she needs it.
But we should make a picture of kids, get them dressed nicely and put bright. We don't have one like that.
We're making a movie right now.